Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for February 16 to 28, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa lahat ng mga hindi nag-skip ng ads. Okay, let's begin. Leo, what's up? Ano yung energies for you ngayong second half ng February for Leo? Grace. Uy, may blessing, oh. You are manifesting blessings in your life. And itong blessing na to is para sa nakararami. Kumbaga, you are manifesting blessings for your family, for your friends, for your company, for your parents. Let's see what else. You have psychic protection. So some of you, Leo, you may need to protect your energies. Maari kasing merong mga, alam mo na, mga naiinggit dyan, mga tinatawag nilang evil eyes, no? Na nakamasid sa inyo. Lalo na't nakikita na maraming blessing sa buhay ninyo. 'Di ba? Hindi na iwasan yan. Yung iba intentional, yung iba naman unintentional. So, it create negative energy. So, always protect your energies. Wisdom. This is also learning. So, maaring meron kang pag-aaralan, i-improve sa iyong knowledge, sa iyong skills. I also see some of you parang meron kayong pupuntahan or lalapitan na mentor or hihingan nyo ng payo, ng guidance. Or yung iba sa inyo, kayo yung magbibigay ng guidance sa iba if you are someone na marami ng experience sa iba't ibang larangan. Okay, so let's see what else. Your overall energy ng mga Leo is the 5 of Swords. Nako, Leo. Very competitive yung energy nyo. But at the same time, conflicting siya. No? So, pwedeng, ayun nga, gaya ng nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, pwedeng merong taong naiirita sa inyo, naiinis sa inyo, nai-insecure sa inyo because of your achievements. Or parang feeling nila nalayabangan sila sa'yo. So, mag-ingat sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan ninyo. Let's see your challenge. You have the Ace of Pentacles. Some of you, maaring merong challenging situation sa trabaho, sa business na kung saan nagsisimula pa lang or bago ka pa lang. So, yung iba, kung ikaw ay bago sa isang trabaho, sa career, or sa department na pinagtatrabahuhan mo, merong adjustment dyan. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron ditong binubuli or parang alam mo yung pinagtitripan ka. Oo, so, iwas na lang sa gulo. Okay? If some of you are starting to have a business, medyo lay low lang muna, no? Tahimik lang muna. Iwasan niyo muna yung pag-announce ng mga plano ninyo sa trabaho, sa business ninyo kasi maraming taong nakatingin sa inyo Maraming tao na parang they want you to fail or alam mo yun kasi minsan mga tao kapag nakikita nila na ang daming blessings na natatanggap nung isang tao na yan, sila parang nagge-generate sila ng hate or yung iba na-inspire. Okay lang sana kung na-inspire yung iba, but pay attention rin sa mga intentions ng ibang tao sa inyo. And then your opportunity is the Knight of Swords. This is communication. So you have the opportunity to express yourself, communicate yung gusto mong sabihin, and para magkaintindihan kayo ng taong kausap mo. Mas maganda na open ka sa kanya. Minsan nga lang baka sa sobrang straightforward mo, merong kang taong ma-offend. Oo. So hinay-hinay lang din sa pagbibitaw ng salita. And then your blessing is the 4 of Wands. So this is a celebration. Parang may celebration sa family, meron kang achievement. Oo. may iba nakapagpatayo kayo ng bahay o kaya meron kayong ginagawang improvement sa bahay ninyo. I also see promotion sa workplace, or meron kayong recognition kaya kayo ay nagsis-celebrate. Celebrating good times. Parang yung kanta lang. Okay. So, let's see money, career, finances for Leo. The Strength card. So, this is your energy. You have the 8 of Wands and the Ace of Wands. Oh, very fast moving itong energy na to para sa inyo sa trabaho. Marami kayong kailangan gawin, marami kayong kailangang i-accomplish ngayong second half ng February. Kaya kailangan nyo ng lakas, kailangan nyo ng determination, motivation para matapos nyo yan. Lalo na yung iba sa inyo na may sinisimulan kayong project or business. So, magiging fast moving yung ganap sa inyo ngayong second half ng February. A lot of things are happening. You are about to change how the games are played. You are unstoppable in creating your own opportunities. Wow. Napakasipag nyo kasi. Yung iba kasi, naiinggit sa mga blessings ng iba, achievements ng iba, pero hindi nila alam kung ano yung mga sakripisyo na pinagdaanan ng tao, 'di ba? So, kaya kala nila ganun kadali, but actually you are creating your own opportunities. May conflict talaga. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng conflict to sa pera or sa trabaho, parang merong parang may intermitida ganyan, or merong person na will try to challenge you sa workplace. You also have divine calling. So, yung inyong destiny, yung true destiny ninyo, nag-unfold. So, maaring kung meron kang mga bagong path na tatahakin sa career mo, pakiramdaman mo kung nagiging masaya ka ba dyan, or nagiging in alignment ba yan sa iyong mga goals. Kasi kung walang aberya, ibig sabihin yan, talagang yan yung divine calling mo. Okay? Your love life, you have the 3 of Pentacles, the 4 of Pentacles, and the World. Wow. Sa love life, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong long distance relationship with someone na very masipag itong person mo kasi parang iniisip na niya ang inyong future, or maaring pareho kayo, iniisip na ninyo ang future ninyo together. That's why you are like partners talaga, hindi lang para sa fulfillment ng bawat isa, but also fulfillment ninyo as a couple. Merong red flags, deception, and safe zone. Oh, okay. So, yung iba, maaring if you are connecting with someone na hindi pa talaga siya totally nag-open up sa'yo, na parang nagpaparamdam lang. Oo. Meron kasi rito na hindi niya pinapakita yung kanyang totoong feelings towards you. Parang siya, defense mechanism niya yon, na ayaw niya na maramdaman mo na may gusto siya sa'yo. Kaya parang this person might be pushing you away, or yung parang iniinis ka niya para hindi mo siya magustuhan, but actually this person is starting to develop yung feelings niya towards you. So this is for the single, not in a relationship sa ngayon, ha. Ibig sabihin wala pang commitment but you are connecting with someone. You have Venus in Capricorn in the 10th house. Wow. When it comes to your career path, things are doing well for you. Marami kang creative ideas ngayon na pwede mong gawin for your career, for your business. And may mga times rin na nasa-stress ka, okay? Pero kung tayo ay nasa-stress, 'di ba? We just need to release that nega energy and focus on centering yourself again. Ayan you should focus on your health. So isa rin yan sa bibigyan nyo ng attention ngayong second half ng February. Yung iba pwedeng kayo ay mag-a-attend ng retreat no? Or yung parang ano, yung meditation, boot camp, mga ganyan for spirituality, for divination, ganyan. So, spiritual boot camp for some of you. And yung iba, this is your overall health. Pwedeng yung focusing on your mental health and your well-being. The collective field is impacting you, unseen forces in action. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na minsan, yung energy around you, may nega, may toxic, so, kaya kailangan proteksyonan nyo yung energies ninyo. How can you relinquish control to the situation that feels blocked? So, you have to be more sensitive sa paligid ninyo. And I think, magiging sensitive ka talaga kasi mararamdaman mo if something is wrong or something is off about a certain situation or sa isang tao. And yun yung iiwasan mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.